Hi, I'm Tony Cutilletta, retired pediatric cardiologist, helping out the museum and setting up this heart exhibit. So one of the things we thought we'd have is a heart room. It walk through the heart and it would demonstrate the various heart chambers. So let's start here. This is the right atrium. This is where blood comes into the heart from both the upper and lower part of the body. This is blood that's had its oxygen used up, and it's also the area where the electrical activity of the heart begins here, called the sinus atrial node. And you can see these flashing lights here, which represents the conduction system. So the blood comes into this receiving chamber. This is a very low pressure chamber. We cross a valve, it's called the tricuspid valve, that means it has 3 leaflets, into the right side of the pumping chamber. This is the chamber that pumps, it's a muscular chamber, it pumps blood out to the lungs so they can pick up oxygen. It is it's a low pressure chamber. It pumps at about 1/3 of the body's blood pressure. The blood goes across a pulmonary valve out into the lungs. There it picks up oxygen and gives up the carbon dioxide. And then it returns to the heart, to the left atrium. Very similar to the right atrium, only it's a little bit different. There are 4 veins coming into the heart, 2 from each lung. And this is oxygenated blood, that's why the walls are red. And again, a very low pressure chamber, a receiving chamber. The blood crosses a mitral valve, it's a 2-ring, and the reason it's called a mitral valve is because it resembles the mitre hats of bishops. Into the left ventricle. The left ventricle is the main pumping chamber of the heart. It's specifically designed for that. The muscle cells are circular, concentric, and it's a very thick-walled chamber, and this is the chamber that pumps blood out to the body. Cross another valve called the aortic valve, back out to the body, and the cycle repeats itself.